Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to link your Chime account with Venmo so you can send and receive money easily. Let's get started. First, open the Venmo apps on your device and tap the Me option at the bottom of the screen. Next, you will see your Venmo balance and any accounts or cards you have already linked. Tap the plus icon to add a new bank. From here, you can either use Paid to link your bank automatically or verify bank manually. To enter your bank details yourself, for this example, we will use Paid. Tap Next, then continue to the bottom of the screen. Paid will display as of list successfully supported banks. Select Chime, then enter your Chime bank account details to complete the linked process. Once you have entered your information, your Chime account will be successfully connected to Venmo. You can now use your Chime account with Venmo for seamless transaction, and that's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.